Over back to CapCut, let me show you a split text effect. You can use any background, I just use this footage and then I place a default text element on top of it. Let me simply call this split, and I want to use a different font that's a little bit thicker, but it works with any text and any font. Let me scale this up a little bit. I use font size for that. This is our starting point. We now right click on this element and create a compound clip. So this text element is now a video. We go to mask for it and use horizontal. Let me rotate that. Like -13 should be enough. Then I copy paste it, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. And for the copy on top, I rotate this one. So our horizontal mask. And just make sure that you have it positioned correctly so that the angle fits. For example, here -194 wouldn't be right. So you can directly go to this one right here and adjust it numerically. -193 should be the best angle. We have a little bit of a cut now in this text. If you don't want that, use the split tool on the top element. So press B. And just cut it right here. Select a small portion and click on none for the mask, and this gets rid of it. And if I play it, the text is normal and then it gets split. So if you want that and you don't want to have the split appearing directly, use this little trick. We had this position where it splits, and I create keyframes for the position under Video Basic for each. And I want the bottom part to move to the right. And the top part to move to the left. So I have to adjust the position. We'll start right here. I move the slider to the right, maybe up to here. I create a keyframe for the second one as well and drag it out of there. And now if we play it, normal text, and then it gets split and it moves to left and right. You can adjust the speed of it by moving these keyframes around. Just make sure they are somewhat in the same position. You can use these arrows right here to find the keyframe position and then adjust the second one. Then play it again. It's a little bit slower now. And in the intro of this video, I've added a sound effect. It's inbuilt in CapCut. We can just go to Audio and use the sound effects library. Type in, for example, glass. That way I was able to find it. Here, broken glass effect, it's the first one. I download it, I click on the plus sign, and I have to position it to the right position, right here. So a little bit before it gets split, something like that. And this is how you can create the split text effect in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.